Maybe I ran too fast.
Bah, fine, I'll help, but I won't enjoy it.
Special delivery. Mama Rosa needs scrubby heroes.
Clothes should clean themselves by being less dirty.
Tell that to Jam Stains, my tiny friend.
A fast fix mission. We need old-time wash tricks.
If anyone knew old village chores, it was Grandpa Sage.
Ah, that reminds me of an old tale about wash day songs.
The songs, did they scrub in rhythm, fast?
If the song scares stains away, sing louder.
People soaked, scrubbed, rinsed, wrung, and dried clothes in the sun.
Then let's sprint to the stream and do every step.
Can you guess which step is the east? By afternoon, the old washing bank glittered beside the stream.
An FF whip.
New teammate, tiny wings, big help.
Bah, the stone scrubs better than I expected.
Soon, wash day became a wide dance of soak, scrub, and squeeze.
Scrub, scrub, twist, twist, team speed.
Don't tell anyone I'm almost having fun.
But the biggest cloth of all still waited in the basket.
Hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss an adventure with us.
The old loft held a wringer wheel for squeezing water out fast.
The fastest squeeze ever. Let's go, Ringer.
Bah, it's tighter, not cleaner.
Oh, I squeezed the dirt deeper.
Need gentler wind.
The clue for cleaner cloths rustled in the enchanted grove.
Whoopsie sparkles, these soap berries get super bubbly.
And so the forest grows soap, HMPH, useful forest.
FF whip.
Bubbles, of course, and not the sneaky kind.
Now watch closely. Nobody says a word as the team tries the full old-fashioned wash. By sunset, the cloth gleamed cleaner than ever. Back at the bakery, the clean cloths returned just in time.
Nothing a warm cookie can't fix, especially tired helpers.
Mission cleaned, also mission hungry.
If a cookie appears, I may forgive laundry.
And a tiny thank you cookie for our breezy friend. FF whip.
That night, the village picnic glowed atop the freshly cleaned cloth.
Fast cloth, fast picnic, fastest cookie grab.
Touch my cookie and I'll wash you next.
Heh, kidding run cancelled.
Tomorrow, I'll save one towel for practice and one for pie.
Want to see the science behind Old Wash Day? Soap helps water grab oily dirt that plain water misses.
So water loosens, soap grabs and scrubbing finishes.
Exactly, and wringing removes water so drying happens much faster.
That explains why breezy lines dried my cloths so quickly.
HMPH, I helped science today, apparently.
Before machines, washing took strong hands, simple tools, and lots of teamwork.